Hello and welcome to yet another Lingala lesson. In our previous lesson, we counted numbers from 71 to 80, and therefore we said that 80 is called Tuku Mwambe. Now in today's lesson, we want to count from 81 to 90, and given that we already know the foundation, we already know that we are building numbers on 80, so it will be Tuku Mwambe, that is 80, then Tuku Mwambe na Moko, 81, Tuku Mwambe na Mibale, 82, then 83 is Tuku Mwambe na Misato, 84 is Tuku Mwambe na Minei, 85 is Tuku Mwambe na Mitano, 86 is Tuku Mwambe na Motoba, 87 is Tuku Mwambe na Sambo, 88 is Tuku Mwambe na Mwambe, 89 is Tuku Mwambe na Libwa, then we go to 90, which is Tuku Libwa. So that's actually how to count numbers from 81 to 90. Let's just go through it again. Tuku Mwambe is 80. Then you go to Tuku Mwambe na Moko, Tuku Mwambe na Mibale, Tuku Mwambe na Misato, Tuku Mwambe na Minei, Tuku Mwambe na Mitano, Tuku Mwambe na Motoba, Tuku Mwambe na Sambo, Tuku Mwambe na Mwambe, Tuku Mwambe na Libwa. Then we go to Tuku Libwa, which is 90. So in our next lesson, we shall now see how to count numbers from 91 to 100. So thank you for watching this lesson. Remember to hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends. Thank you.